Dear students, good morning. So today we will start about revision for your EVS lessons. Lesson number 6, transport and communication. Okay, so today we will discuss about in this lesson transport and communication. So already you know about your children. In this lesson particularly we learnt about modes of transport like roadways transport, railways transport and waterways transport and airways transport. In the roadways transport like we travel by a road like auto rickshaws, taxis, bus, okay, the tempos, trucks, these vehicles we will travel by one place to another place. And railway transport we will travel by a train. Okay, next waterways transport we will travel by a ship, and airways transport we will travel by a aeroplane and helicopter. So next communication also we learnt about communication also like telegrams, letters, mobiles, laptop. Okay, in the previous days we will in olden days we will use we were used pigeons to send letters from one place to another place, and horse riders. Okay, so we use these communication in the older days, but in the present days we will use mobile phones, laptops, email, telegrams, letters, parcels, courier. Okay, so these are all communication. So today we will discuss about classroom activity for this lesson, particularly for this lesson. So first one, complete the analogy. So first question is taxi, road, aeroplane. So we will write about airway. Taxi, this is a road transport. Also we will write about road. Aeroplane is a airway. Okay, airway transport. This is airway transport. So I will write about airway. Second one, sea, ship, railway track, train. So I will write about train. So next third one, passenger train carry people, but goods train carry a heavy loads or a heavy goods. Okay. Next fourth one, four-wheeler car, three-wheeler which vehicle? Auto rickshaws. So we will write about auto rickshaws. So next one, fastest land vehicle is a train, fastest air vehicle is a aeroplane. Okay, so next give two examples of each. Okay, so we will write about two examples. So first one, two-wheeler vehicles. Yes, already you know about two-wheeler vehicle is bicycle and scooter. Bicycle, scooter. Okay, so we'll write about these vehicles name. Next, four-wheeler vehicles. So four-wheeler vehicles like tractor, car. So we will write about tractor, car. So we will write about another vehicles also, another vehicles names also. Next third one, vehicles drawn by animals. So we will write about bullock carts and horse cart. Bullock carts and horse cart. Next, fuels used in cars, buses or trucks. So we will write about petrol and diesel. Okay, petrol and diesel. So next, means of air transport like a aeroplane and helicopter. So we will write about aeroplane and helicopter. So next, means of water transport, boat and yacht. So we will write about boat and yacht. Next, means of land transport. So auto and truck, auto rickshaw and truck. Okay, so today we will discuss about transport and communication in this lesson activities. Now we are also revision in the next lesson like food also. So in this lesson particularly we learnt about food from plants and animals. So we get the food from plants in vegetables, grains, pulses, nuts and fruits also. In animals like egg, egg, cheese, milk, fish, butter. Okay, so these type food items we get from animals. Okay, next types of foods like energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. Okay, next junk foods. Okay, so we will learnt about in our previous class already. Okay, energy giving foods are rice, butter, potato, sugar, bread. So these are all energy giving foods. In a body building foods are milk, egg, pulses, fish, meat. So these are all body building foods. Next, protective foods are vegetables and fruits. So it's protect from our body. Okay, so junk foods are chips, burgers, soft drinks, pizza. Okay, so these are all junk foods. Okay, so today we will discuss about in this lesson particularly classroom activity. Okay, so yes, let us see the classroom activity. First one, say whether the following statements are right or wrong. Okay, if the statement is right, you will put a right mark on this box. If the statement is wrong, you will put the wrong mark on this box. Okay, so first one, food gives us energy and strength. Okay, so this is a right statement because food gives us energy and strength in our body. So you will put a right mark on this box. Second one, rice and wheat are pulses. No, so this is a wrong statement. So I will put a wrong mark. Third one, we get eggs from goats and buffaloes. So this is also wrong statement. We get eggs from not goats and buffalo. So I will put a wrong mark. Next, we must eat junk food every day. So this is a wrong statement. Okay, so you will put a wrong mark on this box. Next, people who eat eggs, fish and meat are called vegetarians. No, so these are all, they are all non-vegetarians. So this statement is a wrong statement. So I will put a wrong mark on this box. Next, we eat fruits without cooking them. Yes, we eat fruits without cooking them. So this is a right statement. So I will put a right mark on this box. So next, answer the following questions. First one, why do we need a food? Yes, do you know about children? Why do we need a food? Yes, we need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. Second one, where do we get food from? Yes, we get food from plants and animals. Yes, we get food from plants and animals. Third one, give 2 examples of body building foods. Yes, milk and eggs of body building foods. Milk and eggs. Fourth one, what are energy giving foods? Rice, potato, sugar, bread are energy giving foods. So there are energy giving foods are rice, potato, sugar, bread. Okay, so today we will discuss about your EVS lesson, transport and communication, and next lesson is food also. So particularly in these lessons we will learn about activities. In these lessons, activities. So you practice more and more because you don't have no more time. So exams is as soon as come to the exam. So you particularly practice these lessons. Transport and communication, people around us, and food. So next in the next class we will learn or discussed about in the next lesson. Okay, thank you.